Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials, bringing you another original design. This is the target knot, and I'm doing it with red tie because I feel like that's the best color for a target. You can do whatever you want, but I just felt like wearing red. I'm not making it for the name brand, I'm not making it for the store. I'm just making a target. It's going to look like a target. Red's a good color for that, but you can wear whatever tie color you want. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put it at my belt line, belly button area, as usual. Adjust it according to your height. I'm going to put a dimple in here. I'm going to bring that over here to the center, or I'm going to fold it, whatever works best. I'm going to come over here to the top. I'm going to come down and around like that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a wreath, and then I'm going to come around a bit wide. Then we're going to come down like this. There's the outer ring there. Then when I'm going to come in, I'm going to come through like this. And then I'm going to come, I'm just going to be folded in half like this. Let me go ahead and put it through there. It's going to be folded in half. I'm going to push it through here like this, and then bring it to the center, and then I'm gonna once I align it, and then I'm gonna come up through here. It's gonna still be folded, and when I have that in place, then I'm going to come around that whole thing and then come back down here too like this. Then I can see how you have one ring, the second ring, and then the target in the middle. Now I want that to be a little bit more spread out. So there you have it. Now this is kind of a shorter length tie for me, so I don't have much left. So I'm just going to put my collar down because it's kind of hidden behind there. Now if you have anything left, which you probably will, what you should do is just kind of tuck it back underneath here. But you're going to need to play with it a little bit because this is your bullseye right here and this is your rings right here. So when I left it, once I passed this wreath here, it was folded in half the whole way. So, and I just kind of maneuvered it around back into there. So there you go. Again, if you need to see it done, rewind it several times until you get it right. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. We'll see you in the next video. Own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully wonderfully made. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing this content. More knots are coming your way. More content's coming your way. And on stylish leadership, more motivational content's coming your way. Peace and God bless.